myself using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, just where my pores are. So really had great time, but I said to him, if anytime we're gonna go, I want to do VIP ticket, because then it's easier with a VIP ticket. You can go in, go out, and you can get food really easy, because it's not easy to get food. It's really hard. It's not easy to get drinks. It's really hard because of the crowd. It's hard to get in, hard to get out. So we decided that if we're gonna go again next time, whenever that's going to be, we are gonna do VIP because of the convenience. So, but first day was really nice, but the only sad thing is I didn't enjoy it as much as I would have loved to, because I can have when is near my cycle, so I get these migraines and, you know, really backache, and then the event, there's no seat, you have to be standing, and it's really hard. And the first 2 days I couldn't enjoy how I wanted to enjoy, but I tried, because my partner put in so much effort into it, and I had to make something out of it. You know, I cannot say, oh, like, oh, let's go back to the hotel, I don't feel well and all that stuff. So I stuck around, and I stayed around with migraine banging, with loud music banging, with a crowd. Everything was like a very that experience, it was something actually, because the way I was feeling, I didn't think I would last because of my migraine, my back pains and stuff like that, but I managed somehow. And I really am glad that I did, because, you know, say for example, like if I went to the hotel and say, oh no, I can't bear this pain, I need to go, I would have missed everything. And, you know, is it only not fair, it's so unfair to my partner as well. And he put a lot of effort into it, so I couldn't disappoint him. So I stuck around. I enjoyed the first night. It was very a lot of artists, a lot of singers, but for me it was Burna Boy. The first day I had to stick around. I forgot about my headache when it was Burna Boy's turn. I forgot everything. I took some of the HMB soft focus on the brush, and I'm gonna do the outer part of my brow bone, and I'm using the P. Louise brush. And I'm impressed, the color match is not bad. So guys, let me continue that story of how my partner surprised me on our Portugal trip. Like, remember I said I just thought we were going to Portugal for normal, like, holidaying. But on the day of the first part of the event, when we were going to the event, I saw like a lot of cars like waving flags and hooting and all that stuff. I was unaware, but my partner started talking to one of the drivers, right? And then they were like kind of like, you know, when you're like listening to music and you're doing this, like you're dancing to it. And then that's what they were doing. And he said to the other driver, like, he was like, oh yeah, see you on stage. I'm like, hey, what stage? I was like, okay. I didn't think of anything of it, you know. I was just like, okay, my partner, he's like he's a very social person, and any person he sees on the street, he'll just stop and talk to them, and he'll just blend in. So I can't even explain, but he'll just blend in so well. And he just, yeah, he was like, yeah, cool. And when we went to the place and we were getting the we had to get these, I still have mine. We had to get these bands, and when we were in the queue, and I see a lot of people, and I'm thinking, what's going on here, you know? Like, why is there so much rush? I thought we were just going for normal sightseeing, normal exertion, and all that stuff. I mean, how was I supposed to know what was coming? I didn't know. So it really surprised me. And I was thinking, oh, I was like, what's going on here? I actually asked him. He's like, oh, nothing. I said, is this a queue to, I thought we were gonna go, what is it called? Not skydiving, but the other one when you do it on the, I don't know, I can't remember the name. But I thought we were going to go something to do with the ocean and, you know, and stuff like that at the beach. But the event was at the beach anyways, but that's not what was gonna happen. But he said, yeah, this is where we're gonna get. But when they started, you know, putting the band, I'm like, what is this? You know? And when I looked at it, it's Afro Nation, I was like, what? I was like, oh my God. I was like, I don't even know how I reacted. I was like a little bit frozen as well, because I wasn't expecting. And